Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to my channel Java Technology Classes for You. My name is Nikita. So today we'll be talking about pattern programs. Well, you already know a little bit about patterns and we are making patterns program for the last video. We will be talking about the star pattern. So before you proceed with this video, I recommend watch the video of this series that give you kind of fundamentals of pattern. Okay, if you already follow my tutorial, then this particular video will be pretty simple for you. But before start, make sure that you subscribe this channel and turn on the notification bell. And if you like this video, then please click the like button. You can follow me on my Instagram page Java Technology Classes for You. I give the link in description box. So let's start. So guys, I really hope you will see my screen here. Here I will create a simple Java project as well. So go to file, new Java project. Give any name for project. I give star project. Then click next, then finish. In this project, explore this, right click on SRC, then new, create a package. You can give any package name. Here I give star pattern package, then finish. Then right click on package, new class. I give it to star pattern. Click on public static void main, then finish. So our class is created. In this main method of this class, we will write the code. Firstly, how many row pattern you want to. The row number is input by the user, or you can yourself initialize the row number. Here I input the row number through user. So we use scanner class, that is predefined class. We make scanner class object. Here scanner object name you can give at any name. Here I give it sc, scanner sc equal new scanner, then system is also a predefined class, then finish. Here you see an error in scanner class, so click it, import scanner dot java dot util dot scanner, because scanner class is in util package, so you should import this util package. Here we write system dot out dot println how many row you want for pattern, semicolon. Then we create a integer type variable. I give its name is row, int row equal object name dot sc dot next int. Basically next int used to enter the integer number through user. Then we use for loop for int I. We initialize the I 1, I less than equal to row, increment the I plus plus. Inside this for loop we use another for loop for int j equal to row semicolon j greater than equal to I j minus minus. In this j loop, inside the for this loop we print the star system dot out dot print star. Here you should notice that I use system dot out dot print for printing star, not system dot out dot println. Then outside the for loop we use system dot out dot println for next line semicolon println. This println move the cursor when a row is printed of pattern next to the line. Then Ctrl plus S, save, right click on class, run as Java application. Here how many row you want for pattern? I give it 7. Look, this pattern is print